I'm very curious with Liz Quinn ba? Liz Quinn. We haven't watched.
I haven't seen it. Pero
Yeah.
some kind of weird pala kumilos yun si Enrique. Ba't siya gumagan?
Midnight Sabaw.
Welcome po sa another episode ng Midnight Sabaw. And tonight, we have a special treat from
The silver anniversary celebration of Star Magic that we saw on ASAP. That was held at Araneta.
Yeah, and we are going to show the two most significant productions na ang daming nagkakagulo ngayon at pinag-uusapan.
Okay.
So let's start with the first one.
And that's the ASAP It Girls.
Yes, ASAP It Girls.
That's Janela Salvador.
I don't know her.
I don't know her either, but I googled her, so that's something.
Yeah.
She's the cousin of Maha Salvador.
Oh, ang ganda niya.
That's Julia Barreto.
Julia Barreto.
With her Barreto beauty.
Yeah.
Barreto talaga siya.
Generational Barreto.
That's Liza Soberano.
Liza is even more beautiful.
Ay, di ako makapili. Ang ganda kasi yung isa rin. That's Catherine Bernardo.
Yeah, Catherine has her
Red glasses.
red glasses. Parang trademark.
Is it red?
Yeah, it's red.
Ang ganda nila.
Diba?
Ingay, no?
Grabe, no? Parang
I like
hindi
it.
ng fans.
Bakit yun ang suot niya? Nautical theme with the stripes.
Oh, and parang
Yeah.
pin-up girls. Pin-up girls, 40s, ano. Yeah.
Eliza and Janela looking like pin-up girls. That one with the sailor hat.
Yeah.
Julia.
Ay, ganda ng boses niya.
Ito mukhang singer. Ang ingay talaga. Tingnan mo naman kasi yung audience.
May banners.
So alam mo na,
Oh.
if you want to be an it girl, dapat beautiful and sexy.
Oo nga.
Look at them.
Oh.
Ang gaganda nila, no? And I like what they're doing. Yung ganyan-ganyan movement, hindi yung mukhang bastos na
Oo nga.
sayaw.
Sobrang wholesome, ano?
Yeah.
I like it.
I like
Okay.
it.
And
Oh, it's not naman to si Maha Salvador because Maha Salvador did the twerking.
Yeah.
But then Maha kasi is a dancer naman
Yeah.
kasi. This one was cute.
And the second one, we will show you yung isang significant na naman na pinagtitilian. And this is video number 2. Go! Oh, diba?
Oh, look at that. Oh, parang
Valentine's.
prom. Grabe ang ingay. Halos hindi ko marinig yung melody.
Oo, wala nang kanta, puro sigaw na lang.
Ang dami kasi fans eh. Panalangin na ano.
Panalangin yung kanta, ngayon lang natin narinig. Ang ingay kasi.
Ang ganda nila tignan.
Yeah. They're a cute couple.
Next time when you record, dapat landscape, not portrait.
Okay.
Pahaba ang katayo ng phone. Ito gumaling.
Ano yun? Oy!
Kaya
Yes.
pala mas maingay.
Grabe, biglang...
Hindi ko marinig.
Wala.
Oh, ayan na ha. He did not wear his glasses
Oh.
ha. So, dapat wala nang issue. Ayun na. Nilagay niya na lang sa pocket niya.
Paano kayo pumunta dun sa harap?
I don't know. You have to queue
Ano?
up.
Ang daming tao. Oh. Sumisigaw. Oh.
Ang ingay talaga.
Oy!
Oh, that's cute.
Gusto ko yung synergy nila talaga eh.
Kasi they're really comfortable with each other.
Oo, parang may sync na yung utak niya.
Nakabili siguro dyan. Look at Liza. She's giving me this vibe na mahiyain siya.
Mahihain mo kasi mahihain, ano?
I'm not sure if mahiyain siya. Look at Daniel. Did you see that?
Ano?
He was shaking hands,
Oh!
oh. He's shaking hands with his fans.
Yeah, he's very fan-oriented. Ayun, no?
Oh, look at them.
Oh!
Yeah, they're shaking hands with
Parang
their
lagi
fans.
siya nakatingin sa mga fans.
Like, given the chance, they would shake hands with their fans. Parang sulit naman.
Oo nga, pero sulit yung nandun, oh, sa gitna. Gusto ko dun.
Baka dapat maaga ka pumila.
May bike yan. Ayun, oh. Oh, di ba? Oh, magdala ko yung may mga lights. Ang saya dun. Siguro nag-camping yun, ano.
The night before. Puno yung Araneta eh.
Ano na ito?
It is Araneta.
Wow. Talagang ginastusan yung ano, production.
Kung na lang isigaw yung kanta eh, no? Ini talaga.
Grabe, puro ingay lang yung naririnig ko.
Nakakabingi dyan, for sure.
Well, that was nice.
Well, what I liked most about it was, I don't mean to put down naman the other love team,
Mhm.
pero I liked how Kathniel actually shook hands
Yeah,
with their fans.
they respond well with the fans. No?
I guess
They-
that's why
Oh.
love sila ng fans nila.
Yeah,
Kasi,
talagang oriented sila dun sa fans nila.
parang ano, diba, naturally they just did it. Parang
wala
so,
lang. Tapos when they sing, parang may synergy na sila na
I
automatic na.
guess ganun talaga pag matagal na kayo
Hindi kasi mga bago nga lang din tong ano eh, mas matagal na sila sa experience eh.
Yeah,
diba?
they look so comfortable together.
And I'm very curious with Liz Quinn ba? Liz Quinn. We haven't watched.
I haven't seen it, pero
Yeah.
some kind of weird pala kumilos yun si Enrique. Ba't siya gumagano?
Ano yun?
He's
Baka
probably
yung
like that.
image niya.
Yeah, he looks fun.
Makwela siya, makwela.
Parang opposite nung kasama
Oh, si
niya.
ano,
Parang
Demure.
no?
Well,
She
it was-
looks mahiyain.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if she is, pero she looks that way.
But the production itself is well done. The
I like
stage,
that song. It was part
the
of our,
song,
ano eh.
and the crowd, grabe, panalo.
I don't wanna be there.
May bibingi. Ako gusto ko dun sa ano.
Sikip, tas maingay.
Kaya lang parang bawal yung banner dun eh. Pero at least mawakan mo. Yung sa gitna, walang banner dun sa gitna. Pansin mo.
Oh.
Pero at least yun, mahawakan mo si Catherine tsaka si Daniel.
Yeah, because they remembered.
Yeah.
Because not everyone would remember to shake hands with you.
Yeah.
So,
Well,
that was fun.
yeah. We enjoyed it. Yan po, nagwawakas ang aming Midnight Sabaw 25 anniversary of
Star Magic.
ASAP. Signing off.